Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to show how to make linear pattern and circular pattern job or learn it. At first open the SolidWorks software, then go to File and click New and select the part and select OK. First of all you select the plane. Which plane do you want to select? It depends for your product type job. Need to plane select. Now I am going to make a job for need to plane, front plane or top as you wish. Now I am going to select top plane and sketch. Now go to circle. To circle, draw the from origin and give the dimension circle 100 and this circle dimension given 90. Okay. Now go to feature and extrude. Now you give the dimension 200 or 300 as you wish. 300 or 200. Okay. Now go to here plane white. Now select the front plane or sketch. Now draw the slot. Select here and here. If this point and this point give the dimension 30. Now this point control this point vertical. Now give the this point and this point distance 40. Now give the dimension this dimension 5 as you wish. This dimension 25. Now draw the center line to arc point, arc center point, and again draw the hair. Draw the hair center line. Now draw the center line here. This point and this point. Now you can give the degree this center line and this center line. I give the 30 degree. Now give the hair dimension. This point and this point dimension horizontally 10. Now go to feature and extrude cut, direction chain and throw, blind and throw. Okay. Now go to axis show and circular pattern. Now select here and here. This feature and face this box, select the extrude card, give the 10. Okay. Now go to linear pattern and select axis and here select circular pattern. Direction change, give the value, give the value 35 and 5 linear pattern. Okay. Okay. Now you can this dimension editing. Now select here 30. Okay. Now select here 6. Okay. Here again editing 25. Okay. Go to isometric view and select here. Okay. Now go to shaded. Now select the materials. This materials use as you wish. And as you wish. Go to isometric view. Make our job. Now I select this color. Okay. Or this color as you wish. No, we can use this color. Okay, thank you all everyone, share and like. If have any ask, you can write comments box.